Hello kids, what's up? How are you? How are you? Okay, good, fantastic, happy? That's very great. I'm also happy and fit. Okay, so here we will start, my dear learners, a new chapter of your book. And the chapter name is Earth's Wild Side. What's that wild side? Earth also had a wild side? We can't see, or we can see. Let's see what is Earth wild side, or we can say is type of natural disaster. What we can say? Type of natural disaster. Natural disaster is name suggests that disaster that come naturally. We and no one can control. Okay, neither me, neither you can control this type of, we can say, disaster. Okay, because it's natural occurring, and that thing that can happen naturally, no one can control over it. Okay, so natural disasters are powerful. Natural disasters are powerful and often unpredictable. It is often unpredictable. We cannot predict it. Okay, but now the technologies are so advanced, maybe we can predict it in advance, like that heavy rainfall or something like that happen, maybe. Okay, so now we have so much advanced technologies, so maybe we can predict it now. But natural disasters are powerful and often unpredictable events that occur due to natural force. Means that disaster that occur due to natural forces. They can cause widespread damage. They can cause a widespread damage to the environment, property, and human life. So all these things, we can say animals also, plant also, and human being also, they all are affected to this type of disaster. From earthquake that shakes the ground, so from earthquake it started, earthquake that shaking of the ground. So from earthquake that shakes the ground to hurricanes that brings forcefully wind and flooding. We all know all these comes naturally. Earthquake, there's any other force, there's any other human being who can, we can say, produce or release earthquake? No, it's naturally occur. Yes, flood, it's natural occur. Okay, so for flood, earthquake are the natural occurring. Okay, so these events remind us from natural immense power, means earth also has their own power. Understanding different types of natural disaster can help us better prepare for and respond to them, reducing their impact on communities. Read the clues to match the natural disaster by putting the correct number in the box. So you have to match with it. First read it, first you observe the picture, read some lines about it, and just try to imagine, try to recall what natural disaster I am talking about. Can you name that natural disaster or not? Okay, so are you ready for this exercise? Because see, this book is so wonderful that you can understand lots of new things, and these things we can also study in your geography book, in your science books, and all these things. It's all are relatable to each other. So just pay attention in this class. Okay, that's all I want to say. So first one is that see the picture first. Okay, like something is like shaking, like that we can observe with the picture. So it is, description is that sudden shaking. It's a sudden shaking. What's that? Sudden shaking of the ground shakes like that due to tectonic movement. Due to tectonic movements, the earth is shaking like this, and it is known as earthquake. Yes or no? So we will write the answer first, because it is the description, or it is the answer of first one. Yes. Second one is that giant sea waves. Giant sea waves are coming. What waves? Giant. See the picture first. Okay. Yes, we can see these types of pictures. Yes. So giant waves see caused by underwater earthquake. If there is an underwater earthquake, underwater means beneath the earth. Okay, or volcano eruption happens, then it is like this. So it is known as tsunami. Yes or no? So we'll write answer 2. Agree with me? Okay, next, third, this type of thing we can see. Okay, explosion of molten lava, ash, and gases from volcano. There is a volcano eruption. It is where it is? Volcano eruption. So we'll write third. Okay, next, fourth, powerful tropical storm. It is a tropical storm. What is it? A tropical storm with strong winds and heavy rains. It is a tropical storm with strong, we can say strong, there is very strong winds are there and also heavy rain. And it is tropical, so it is hurricane. What it called? Hurricane. Okay. Next, this is also a storm. Violent, rotating, wild storm forming a funnel cloud like that. It is tornado. What it is called? It is known as tornado. Okay. Next, sixth one. Overflow of water. What's that? Overflow of water submerging normally dry land. So it is an overflow of land. Overflow of land means that is flood. Yes, that is flood. Okay. Next, seventh is, see the picture and the answer and the written is prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall. In that area, the rainfall is low, leading to water shortage, and that condition is known as drought. Okay. Next is eighth one, rapid movement of rock. Rapid movement of rock, earth or debris down the slope. Down the slope, rocks, debris are coming down the slope. It is landslide. Mostly it is happen in the hilly areas. Okay. Next is ninth one. It said uncontrolled fire. The fire is uncontrolled, that spread rapidly through forest or grassland. That spread allwhere like that. Okay. And that is known as, we can say, wildfire. Okay. So all these are the type of natural disaster, whether it is earthquake, volcano eruptions, landslide or flood, all comes naturally and cause a great damage to our human beings as well as our properties, human properties. Okay. So these are the natural disaster. Okay. Clear? Easier? So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.